earth, air, water. Can you imagine life without them? Yet nature pays the price for every tree cut. At Metro, we dared to reimagine wood without cutting a single tree. Through innovation and craftsmanship, we create premium wooden tiles, crafted from natural minerals, built to last, and kind to the planet. We're pioneers in curved-edge wooden tiles, mastering beauty, sustainability, and timeless design. From the elegance of authentic wood grains, we bring nature's charm into modern spaces. Metro's wooden-look ceramics redefine luxury, offering the warmth of wood with the strength of tile. Metro Ceramics, inspired by nature, perfected by innovation,